Hey everyone! Today we are looking at this powerful 3.5 horsepower treadmill for your home. You can easily adjust the automatic incline up to 15% for a much more intense workout. The wide 8-layer running belt provides excellent shock absorption to protect your precious knees and muscles. Its quiet motor supports speeds up to 9 miles per hour and handles 300 pounds easily. Track your real-time progress on the LED display while playing music through the integrated Bluetooth speakers. After your workout, the soft drop system helps you fold the unit to save plenty of space. This compact machine offers a professional running experience right in the comfort of your own living room. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.